Oppo is going to be telling us and showing us 125 watt charging this week. 125 watt. Your laptop is currently charging at 87 or 85 watts. I don't remember that particular MacBook. 125 watt charging on your smartphone?
Well, the times we live in, eh?
It's going to completely charge your phone in 15 minutes. That means what? 50% in 5? This is insanity. Now, people are screaming. They're watching this show saying, the battery degradation, 5 watt for life. Which would be a weird thing to shout at your computer or your phone. Or even in your car if you're listening to the audio-only version of this. People are going to look at you sideways. I don't recommend it. No. Yes, of course. New technology, there's going to be drawbacks. It's never just all positive. There's got to be some kind of drawbacks here, but this is the type of stuff that pushes the technology forward. Maybe there is a diminishing returns at a certain point, but you need this type of experimentation to get to a point where even the average person has 20 or 30 or 50 watts, which may be the practical application or implementation that a lot of brands end up going for. Oppo's 65 watt SuperVOOC 2.0 is currently the fastest for the record. So this is a massive increase to go all the way up to 125. Actually, Vivo is apparently going to announce 120, and then Oppo is going to have the 125. You see, they share the things, they get it all together like that. Oppo tested the 4,000 milliamp hour battery of the Reno Ace 2. Which was the device that featured the 65 watt charge. And a lot of people said your battery is going to be cooked dead. Put a fork in it, like you said earlier.
Yeah.
But they found that the battery capacity dropped only to 91% total after 800 cycles of charging. So actually not that bad. And of course, who knows how they achieve it? Is there cooling? Who knows what's actually going on here behind the scenes? Well, the engineer does. But maybe you do, Will. But that's slightly beyond the scope of my daily activities.
Yeah.
Programming this type of thing. So who knows if they are able to apply some of those tactics to this even faster charging, then maybe we don't have the degradation that people are so concerned with. But also, I think important to note, how long are people holding on to phones? I think it's really important to consider that. Now, I get it. People are saying, we're throwing this stuff out too easily. We had the environmental discussion with the power bricks.
Yes.
And people are saying, we're throwing these things out. We got to hang on to them. So then those people care. But who's being realistic here? How many cycles are you putting on your phone before you get another phone? That should be a key consideration when you're looking at these really fast charging phones, how much you're going to be impacted or affected by. Because it's important to note, no matter which charger you've got, there will be some degradation over time. It's not like just these ones are hitting the battery. The batteries, that's the way batteries operate. So anyway, this is going to be the fastest we've ever seen, the fastest on the market. 50% charge in 5 minutes, 100% charge in 15. Actually, those are the numbers for the 120 watt that Vivo's showing off. The 125 watt obviously will be even a little bit faster. It's just bananas, man. It's just sheesh. This is where you got to say sheesh. It's going to be 1 minute.
Yeah.
Eventually, we're just going to do 1 minute. And I'm over here in the fast wireless charging from OnePlus, and now I'm feeling jealous.
Yeah.
1 minute. Imagine watching the graphic. Futuristic, man.
Very cool.
Futuristic.